Hello and welcome to Santa's Grotto, aka my house during November and December and some of January. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very low-key, kind of casual Christmas house tour. I want to show you exactly how I finally put all my Christmas decorations together, because this has been a work in progress throughout the whole of November and December basically. I had a lot of work done this month in the house and it kind of halted the progress of turning this into a ridiculous Christmas land. So I want to share with you what it looks like today, and I am working on the full updated house tour. I'll probably have that out sometime early next year. There's just a few like small details that I really want to make perfect first, so if you want to see that, I'll have it out pretty soon. Anyway, without further ado, let me take you around the house and show you what it's looking like for Christmas. So this is what the sitting room looks like. I'm gonna go turn my tree lights off in a minute because they're really flickery and annoying. Okay, that's better. You can see what it looks like now. Okay, so when you come through the door, the first thing I have up is this little wreath on the side here. And this used to be on my mirror, but when I changed the mirror, I decided I liked it looking a little bit less cluttered up there, so I moved it. And I think it looks really cute here, and this one was actually a hand-me-down. My aunt gave it to me. Moving on to the rest of the room. This couch is covered in probably way too many Christmas cushions. This one was from Wish last year, this one was from Target, this is H&M, and this one I think was Aldi like a couple of years ago. So yeah, that's the couch. Moving on to my little festive corner, I replaced all of my decor pieces and just put up Christmas stuff around here. So down here in the middle I have a DIY that I made last year, and this is a countdown. It's on the wrong day. I think it must be, I think it's the 17th now. Oh boy. There we go, fixed it. I clearly didn't use that this year. And I've got these little glass candle holders that my nan gave me, and then these creepy vintage Santas which also hold candles. These were from the charity shop and I love them even though they're creepy. Up here I've just got a few little bits and pieces. The house was from Target a few years ago. Sign was from the charity shop. The trees are from miscellaneous places. The little car I think was from Tiger, and my little mouse in the back was from TK Maxx. And then at the top here I did change out my letterboard sign. The green reindeer I think is from like the Range or maybe Home Bargains. Let's move on to the mantelpiece. This might be my favourite part of the room other than the tree. I've got these stocking holders. These were from Target a few years ago, and on them I've put my DIY Poundland stockings from last year. They're really flimsy but they look super cute. The star garland, that was from Hamer last year. And then I have a little collection of fuzzy animals. The two in the middle were from like a boutique shop close to home, and then these, the white one and the grey one, were from Marks and Spencer's last year. But they don't like to stand up, they just... Oh, he's gonna do it today, of course. I did end up getting a real Christmas tree. I made a whole vlog about this and I absolutely love it. It was so cheap and it really makes it feel properly Christmassy in here. I won't show you all the decorations, but just know there's a lot of thrifted ones in here, a lot of DIYs in here, and then a few new additions that I got this year, like this guy. And on this couch, I've left it pretty much how it normally is, but I've added these two cushions at the front that were both from H&M last year. And then we can't forget the coffee table. I just put a few things here, a few candle holders and this red house. This one I actually picked up for 50p in the RSPCA charity shop, and it's hand painted mercury glass. I think it might have been from like Tesco or somewhere though, but I really like that one. And this one was also from the charity shop. Moving on, over here I have the TV area. On the cabinet I've got this Merry Christmas that looks kind of wonky, to be honest. Yeah, it's very wonky. But this was £1 in the charity shop, so I had to find a place to hang it because I really liked it. Over here, I've swapped out my everyday decor and just put up some Christmassy stuff. This one's from a charity shop, originally from Sass & Belle. This was a DIY, one of my favourites of the season, also from a charity shop. And this is actually a Body Shop advent calendar. and I haven't opened any of the days yet because I've been so busy, so I'm gonna save it for Christmas and open it all in one go. I'm so excited about that because I don't really get Christmas presents, so it will give me something to open. I absolutely love the design. I'm gonna keep this forever, and once it's empty I'm gonna store my Christmas decorations in it and bring it out every single year. I just think it's so cute. Normally I have my record player up here, but it doesn't fit today, so I've got it on the floor here, and these are the ones that I've been playing recently. These were both 50p in the charity shop. Bargain. Hello BTS Uno. So that's what the sitting room's looking like. I think it's fairly festive. I didn't put much in the dining room, but I guess I should show you what's in there anyway. So the dining room as a whole is not brilliant. I've been wrapping some Christmas presents. We have some here, but I don't want to show them because then I would be spoiling the surprise. So I'll just show you the little bits I did manage to do in here. On my side table, I put these tiny trees and houses, and they actually look miniature in comparison to the lights. And because the bar cart gets a bit more use at Christmas time, I just added a few little things to make it a bit festive. Above the mirror, I wrapped it in this garland that I found in a charity shop, and I just think that adds a little something to this room. And then as you can see, the chaos of the bar cart is made slightly festive with just all these tiny jumpers and little Christmas scarves and hats that all the bottles are wearing. I love them so much. And I've also got these gorgeous new glasses that Made.com sent me, and I love them. Look at that. They're so iridescent. So I've been drinking out of them a few times recently, but I can't wait to crack them out at Christmas. Please excuse the lack of skirting board. And then under here I've got another little Christmas sign just to add something else. Oh, and some mistletoe. That should be above a door, but that's where it's gonna stay. I know I've got a naked lady on my bar cart. That was my great-grandpa's, so I have a little bit of him in my house. So yeah, that's my little festive corner. And if you're wondering why I haven't done the makeover yet, that's because I really need to sort the skirting board out the whole way around the room. And because I don't really use the room, I haven't done it yet, and it's so expensive, but I guess I'll have to do it at some point next year. If you've seen my recent DIY-ery, you will have seen the new porch and the front door. I've just got a little wreath up and a ho 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 mat as you come in. And then as you come through the door, this is what you see. On the left hand side, I've pretty much kept this the same as I have it all year round. I've just switched out my regular decor for seasonal bits. I always have a print in here, and I've changed it out and I've put in some Christmas wrapping paper. This was from Oliver Bonus last year, but they do still have it. And then I've just put this IKEA wreath on top of it. I've got a little Christmas tree that was from M&S, and I've put some scent sticks in it in the hopes that my house will smell nice as you walk through the door, but I don't think they smell like anything, to be honest. And then this little village that I've got going on. I found a ton of these little houses in the charity shops recently. These ones were from Poundland last year, but the rest, these are all second hand. Most of them were 50p, like this one with the Santa, but this big one was 150 because it has a light on the inside. These little lights, I don't know how well you can see them, but they're little gingerbread men. My nan got me these last year, and I've put them up again this year. Next to the table I have a chair for when I put my shoes on, and I've just put my Poundland hack DIY cushion on it. This is the garland that I have going on the stairs this year. I think I have used 3, maybe 4 garlands from Home Bargains. They're like £3.50 each. They're so good, and I like how minimal and quite simple it is. It's just a pretty frosted garland with some pine cones in it. And I've hung up a couple of Home Bargains stockings on here as well. They were from last year for a couple of pounds. And these, I never find a place for these, but they're like little star ornaments from Sainsbury's that I picked up in the sale years ago. And I finally had a space on my garland for I think 3 of them. Aren't they cute? On the opposite side I've got this mirror, and I've just hung up my little sweater garland from last year's Poundland video. I had to find a place for this because I love it. They're so cute. Okay, so this is the kitchen currently. Just got a few little decorations in here. First things first, up on the left hand side I put this garland that was on my mantelpiece here just to liven up the space. We've got a little star as well at the back. Oh, we have some DIY supplies over here. Please ignore that. but this just looks a little bit more festive than it did. I guess this is the most Christmassy area of my kitchen. And I love how my shelves were supposed to be for useful items, but now they just have loads of Christmas stuff on them. But here we go. Up here I've got a few mugs and glasses that I found in the supermarkets last year. And then I have my vintage Santas that I painted the hats on. I think they need another coat, but they're looking a lot better than they did. My little snowman is hanging up here. Oh! We've got a casualty. There we go. And up here I've got a few more bits. All of this stuff was in my Christmas haul this year. I've got a Poundland tree, some picks from Sainsbury's, and this little set was from the charity shop. And my vintage reindeer I've had for a few years. On my Telegram board I wrote Merry and Bright, and I don't have the heart to take it off, but I kind of need to use it. So I've also got dishwasher tablets written up at the top. And a few more little bits and bobs over here. I couldn't help myself, I had to put some little knickknacks on my shelf. And then I bought this set in a charity shop. We have a pot holder, an oven mitt, and a tea towel. And the three of those cost £5, and I love them! I mean, look at him, they're so cute! I put a couple of little IKEA Christmas trees that were in my hack video last year up in the window in the breakfast nook. So yeah, that's pretty much the extent of the decorations in my kitchen. There's not too much, but it's kind of festive. Now moving on to my bedroom. This is kind of what it's looking like at the moment. And in all honesty, I kept this pretty simple in terms of Christmas decorations because I like how girly and pink and fun my bedroom is. But I did put up a couple of bits, so I will show you that now. I got these little gold sequin lights in the charity shop for $3.50. They're so cool. They're really different. I haven't seen anything quite like them because they've got little beads and things as well. On top of my dresser is the most festive area of my bedroom. I've got a little collection of pink and white bottle brush trees and a collection of glitter that they have left behind every time they fall over. Added a few fairy lights here as well. And a big beaded snowflake that I've had for a while. The pink Merry was actually a whole Merry Christmas sign from Home Bargains, but Merry was enough. We do also have a little Christmas tree and a star over in this corner. My desk is the same, but I have this little Christmas tree here for some more lighting in the evening. And I also have one by my bedside table. And then on my bed, the bedding, this is so cute. This was from Marks and Spencer's last year and I absolutely love it. It was really inexpensive, like £25 for the whole set. I think they have something similar this year, but I don't think it's as good and it's more expensive, so I was very lucky. And then above the bed, I added my pom-pom wreath. This was a DIY from last year and I really love this, so I had to find a place for it. Like I said with this room, I want it to be kind of easy to take the Christmas decorations down at the end of the year because I'm going to need to start filming some January content soon. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you celebrate Christmas, I hope you're feeling very festive and in the Christmas spirit because I know I am. Anyway, that's all I have to say for today. I know in January I'm going to have a lot more decluttering and cleaning and DIY projects coming up, so if you want to and you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you very soon. Bye!